Hello YouTube family, welcome back to a new video. Today being on Wednesday, and we are happy to be alive. I hope you had a wonderful night, and to those who are going to sleep, I hope you had a wonderful day. So guys, just want to welcome all of you to our new video. Just notice that each and every day we do have new members in the channel. So this is Zaknet, and you are watching Walk with Zaknet. And the purpose of this video or this channel is to take you or to show you all around, so that we can explore the world together. That's the purpose of this video, or this channel, let me say. So, today being my day off, I just decided to take you around. I know there are new members. Just take you around to Meru town, different parts, so that at least if you have never come to this side of Kenya or East Africa or Africa in general, at least you can have a sneak peek of what it's like to be in Meru, So guys, just to call you, please subscribe, like and share. And maybe you don't know what is the goal. The general or overall goal is to hit 1 million subscribers. But you have to divide that goal into small goals. And the first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. So guys, support my channel, support my work. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers as we are heading to 1 million subscribers. So at the time I'm shooting this video, it's around 9 o'clock in Kenya, and I say it's kind of morning hours. So I'm crossing the road. It's morning hours, so these are how our morning begins. You see, people are busy doing their daily activities, so that at least they can have something to put on the table. And this video, you'll see a lot of students. Why? Because this month, we are in July, the end of July, and so many schools are closed this month. So that's why you are going to see so many school students. I hope you have understood why you are going to see so many students around town. Some will find them on the main bus station, trying to board the car to their home place, because here in Africa, especially here in Kenya, we do have boarding schools where students do board or sleep on their schools. You will find a small child at the age of 7 years, 10 years. Sleeping at school, and it is normal here. So that's why you find that majority of students, they come from different parts of Kenya, maybe They come from Embu and they come to school in Meru. Other comes from, let's say, Isiolo. They come to school in Meru. So during their closure, or when they close the school, they have to board the matatu back to their home place. So you will see them a lot. Different uniform. You know, here in Kenya, or I believe it is the whole Africa, students do wear school uniform. But I understand that in countries like Australia, US, Canada, I don't know about New Zealand and others, but those few countries I've mentioned, people or students don't wear school uniform when they go to school. So they do wear the normal casual clothes. But since I believe those countries which are colonized by British, because even UK, if I'm not wrong, UK students do wear school uniform, you know. And to surprise you, there are some institutions of high learning, like KMTC, Kenya Medical Training Colleges. They do wear uniform, you know. So that's not a big deal. So don't be surprising students wearing different kind of school uniform. You'll see them in green uniform, blue, red. It's normal here. So guys, we are heading to Meru town. We are from Makutano actually. I remember when the first time when I was told that I will come to Meru, Makutano, I was kind of afraid because it was my first time. I didn't know anyone here. So I was looking for videos that can show me how Makutano look like, that at least I can have an idea. But it's unfortunate I did not get those videos that at least I could familiarize myself with the place. And so, if you are coming to Makutano, or if you are from different sorry, I know it's amazing news to see Geneza, a sanduku, a casket, sorry, being carried by motorbike. So I was saying, if you are from different area, or if you are planning to relocate from other countries to come to Meru, at least you find my videos relevant when you are looking for those videos, so that you can make yourself familiarized with the place in advance. So at least when you watch my video, not even a single video, but you keep on watching them, you will know, let's say 50% of Meru town. And as promised, I'll be doing this kind of videos all over in Kenya. And then God willing, I'll be going to other countries, let me say international, as our Congolese say. So guys, just to remind you, subscribe, like, share, and comment. You know? And please tell me, do you like my videos? You know? Just leave a nice comment. The place you want me to improve, where you want me to correct, and I will surely do that. So that we can all grow together. One thing I've come to notice that as I'm continuing shooting this video, my confidence keep on increasing. I remember the first time I was shooting, I was very afraid. I was so worried. I didn't want people to know that I'm shooting a video. But right now, I don't care. You know, actually, I love seeing people looking at me or looking at my camera and smiling at me. You know? So that tells me that whatever you're finding doing, at first it will be very hard, but if you continue doing it a million times, you are going to make it. You are going to perfect it. So this is Meru for you. You see those students, you know, they have bought the whole matatu for a vibe. They are vibing, you know, music. It's normal. It's normal at that stage that I believe each and every one of us pass through that stage, you know. We are alive. The only big thing that you can think about is to vibe, you know. Vibing is the main thing at that time. But as you grow up, you come to realize there are so many things which need our attention more than vibing. So it's normal, it's allowed. Let them enjoy themselves when they still can, when they are young. In Kiswahili tunasema vunja mfupa ngali una meno. Like chew the bone when you still have the teeth to do so, because the times is coming, you will be no teeth, and you will not be able to chew the bone or to chew the meat. Okay, so it's allowed. We allow them to enjoy life, but they should enjoy responsibly, you know. So we are doing on well. don't know what is happening. So I think this is the CBD of Meru town. You know, this is where everything is happening. I'm thinking, should I take you to the main bus station or not? Because one thing I hate to go in that area, the kind of stupidity those tutor, let me say those matatu tani boys, they do have. When you reach there, they will be all over you, trying to convince you to, you know, to go their car, their matatu, and sometimes it's boring. Sometimes that thing is so boring, you know. So that's why I usually avoid going to those zones, those areas. So I'm negotiating, should I go or not? Because I think they are very stupid, because when they see I'm shooting, they start questioning, or they start touching my camera, and I don't like that. They don't observe what we call personal space, you know. But let's see. I may take you, I may not. It depends. So, one thing you notice here in Kenya, especially, I mean all over, I believe so, in Kenya, we have so many motorbikes. Like in India, there are so many tuk-tuk, you know. India, there are so many tuk-tuk and motorbikes. Like even in Uganda, I saw a video, people saying how motorbikes are all over in Uganda. Or when you go to Mombasa, you will see tuk-tuk all over. The easy mode of transport and kind of cheap. Somehow cheap, easy. You can access anywhere. They go anywhere, anytime. So I'm still bargaining. Should I take you to the main stage or not? Because I'm trying to avoid that shenanigans. You know? So you see those students are from school. I don't know. I don't know if I should take you to that main stage. For the safety of my camera, I think I know. Or should I risk it? I don't know. If you go straight that way, there is main stage. I think I will pass by here. So you can see, this is what we call your carding. Simply mean that if you want things here, like change anything, you will have them here.
Pia tuko na smartphone safi kabisa na accessories zote, kisha simu za mkopo unalipa polepole. Ukitaka Nokia ipo, Samsung zipo. kabisa. Tunakuuzia kwa shilingi 200. Tuko na kava za simu. Hizi kava za simu tunakuuzia kava za simu yoyote uko nayo. Aidha uko na Tecno. Meru.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed Meru town. Actually these days I find that Meru town is not that big, because I can walk the whole Meru town, just the CBD, with less than 1 hour or 2 hours. You know? So I hope you will enjoy this video, and please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Did you ever know that Meru has Central Bank of Kenya? You know, that's a very big, great news. You see there, this city or this county, they do have a Central Bank of Kenya, you know. So we are going back. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, so that we can grow together. So I've decided to go to or use another route instead of just using the same route every time. Let me try this road. I'm sure it always ends to Makutano. So let us try this road and explore new places, you know. So we are from the busy, or let me say the busiest place, and when you come to this side, at least you find that the place is chill. There are no more like those, no more motorbikes or vehicles in numbers, you know. You just only find few of them. You know, I've just found that there is an office of the government. So as you can see, in front there is Mbiko Memorial Day and Boarding Primary and Junior School. So it's not a surprise here in Kenya that you find small children, they are sleeping or they are boarding. So it's not a surprise, it's not a big deal, you know. So I think this road, it takes us to, okay, I will show you, but there's a branch where you are going to Meru General Hospital, you know, but I will not go that side. I will take a different route to Makutano. I want to explore this road and see. But the thing is, at least I've seen where the governor office is. You see those cars where they are branching from. If you follow that road, it will take you to Meru General and Teaching Hospital, MTRH, Meru Teaching Referral Hospital. Yeah. Don't confuse from what do you call? So there is MTRH, that is from Eldoret, you know, and this one now, Meru. I think they share the same initials. If you go that side, that way, you go to Meru General Hospital. These roads are very steep, so it's like I'm doing exercise. I promise you, when you walk on this road daily, I don't think you have those crazy body weight, you know? The dress will be fit. No wonder Marians are not, they don't have obesity. They keep on walking on these roads. Hi. There's no time for you to gain weight. You know, you'll always be fit. I'm telling you, I'm so tired and I'm sweaty at the same time. You know, it's not easy. You need to come and walk over this place. You know, I thought that I'm fit, but to my surprise, it's like I'm overweight kidogo. I need to reduce. No losing hope. Let's continue, you know, until the end. And for sure, hii barabara ni mlima. I'm saying that is in Kiswahili. I'm saying in English. This road is hilly. If you can look like you're going down the road, and it's like I'm climbing the hill. It is not a joke.